What's up guys, it's Modern Dad. Just wanted to bring you this quick first look and unboxing of the Sony SRS XB32, the 2019 extra bass speaker. We had the XB31 last year. Front of the box here, it's telling you it's got a 24-hour battery life. Back of the box, it tells you about the actual speaker itself. It's IP7 rated, I want to say. IP6, sorry. It's also got the 24-hour long-lasting battery. It's also got the 31 before it, where you tap the speaker and it makes the sounds and the lights flash. You can also do the party chain, where you can connect up to 100 speakers. It then again mentions about the battery and how it charges over a micro USB. Yeah, that's poor. Then you get the live sound, and then you get the left and right sound from it because it's stereo, and you can make calls. So yeah, that's everything that's on the box. You turn the box to the side and it shows you the new design, the way the lights are laid out. It is a little bit different this year in the way it's finished. And then on the other side, it's showing you the app, the music center and Feistable. This way you can control the lights and things like that. So pretty simple. I'll show you that as well a little bit later. So yeah, let's get into the box. So once we're in the box, first thing we pull out is the speaker. There's a speaker, but we're going to just put that to the side for one moment, because I'm just going to show you what else is in there. So pull out the paperwork, move the box back a little bit. You get your usual typical how to use this Sony guide, same as you get in any Sony device product, all the same. We all know we read them, don't we? No, I don't need that. And then we get the wireless speaker Sony instructions again. It's like a little booklet just telling you about it. We don't use that either. And then your 1-year warranty that you know you've already got in the US and Canada. Don't need that. So yeah, that's about it. It comes with a micro USB cable too. All right, so here's the device. As you can see, there's your grill, the textured grill on the front. It's a fabric grill just like it normally is. Remove some of my dog's hair because that's great. So we flip over to the side. You'll see the new design for the light. It goes all the way. Go over to the other side. Same thing. It's their new design. They have Sony wrote onto the top of the actual device this time. And as you'll notice as well, it's not fabric all the way around. Well, let's turn this on. We'll show you how it lights up. Power's on super fast. It's really easy. Some of the other speakers you have to press and hold. As you can see, it lights up. This is one of the best things about the speaker when it comes to the appearance. A lot of speakers don't look this good. This is how it looks when it is lit up on the sides. Like I say, the new design, it looks really sharp. So I really like the Sony speakers for this. They look great, especially in the dark when you're playing your music and things like that and the lights are flashing. So yeah, let's have a look across the top. You can't really see, but it's a power button. It's showing you the Bluetooth, volume up, volume down, the live sound, and you see the Sony logos now on the top. You can see it's also a rubberized plastic at the back. So they've changed the build quality of it, and it does seem to be built really well. As we flick around to the back, you can see there's a little door there. It is a little dark. It's hard to see with it being matte black. I'll bring this further up to the camera so you can have a look inside. See if we can focus this in for you. All right, so here you go. You can see here's your USB, so you can plug in a micro USB, your battery, your WPC button, and add in an extra device. It's got the aux cable and the micro USB. Why would you put a micro USB? It's 2019. It should be USB-C. You've even done this on your 1000 XM3 headphones. Why would you go back to that? It's just stupid, Sony. And here's a closer look up at the buttons as well. They're much harder to see this year than what they were last year. I don't know whether it's because I've got black this year instead of the blue. But yeah, I find them a little more difficult to see. And here's the front, and there's the lightings. As you can see, it's like a strip lighting with the mesh grill on the front. There's fabric. It's a really, really, really good looking device. All right, so on to pairing. I've downloaded the app already, and you just pair it like you would normally with your Bluetooth. And then once you've downloaded the app, I'll show you now. Press on the button and you'll see it there. Man, comes up straight away. SRS XB32. Give you your options, show you my library. If you have Apple Music, it goes straight to Apple Music. But I don't have Apple Music. As you can see, I'm a Google boy who likes the iPhone. Then it shows you the Feistable app, which you also download. This is what you do when you first load up the Feistable app. You have to read and accept the privacy policy and everything else. Hit I agree, I agree, I agree. What the Feistable app does is it controls the lights and how the device works when you move your phone. Well, yeah, let's click on illumination. So like the last time, it has the party flash and it has the custom colors and things like that. So what this does on the custom colors, you get this little ring, and if you go out of the ring, it dims the lights off pretty much. And if you go in the ring, you'll see how the colors change on the wheel. The color wheel represents the color of the lights. You see how I went out of it then? And again, it turns the lights off. So you can turn the lights off. You don't have to have this thing flashing around like a 90s rave, you know? But I like it. Everybody I know also likes it. Same with party flash. You move it around, look, you see it'll actually start flashing. You put it to the white, see everything was flashing. And this is how it works. It moves to the music and things like that. So yeah, really easy to work. Not an issue whatsoever. You're not going to have a problem with it. And you may not even use it. But it's a nice little feature where you can change it to the way you want it to be instead of being not what you want it to be. Excuse the wife text messaging me. Now, motion control, same as the XB31. You can move your phone and it'll do different volumes and things like that. Brightness of the lights, change the lights, things like that. So yeah, simple. So what you're here for really is the music and how it sounds. And I'm not going to go too in depth with this. So I'm going to do that when I go through my review. I can show you a few songs and things like that. I'm just going to give you a quick first look right now.
Into the infinite. Into the infinite, into the infinite, into the infinite, into the unknown. And you're my vice, I surrender you entirely.
That probably already convinced a lot of you whether you should buy this or not. But wait for my review. But I'm just going to say, this is awesome. All right, guys. So that is English Dan. That is the 2019 Sony SRS XB32. Kicking butt. Check back next week for the review. Peace.